guys, I'm back with my part. So I'm literally just gonna have to do my snake, this, and then I should be okay. Oh, I forgot my forehead. Dang it. Oh, this stuff. Holy cheese. Yeah, why did I say that? Say some things that feels weird. So I can kind of like go through. They don't look like that. How you're doing here? Hey, she really taking off this makeup. Hey. Did you get a picture of my makeup? Okay. See if my dad took a picture of it so y'all can see what it looks like before and then after. So many things. Oh no! I'll show you the eyebrow. That's the hardest type of makeup to get out. Especially the face pick. Why the heck is the red so hard to take out? It's just like the hardest to take out in the world. But dang. Why do it look like that? You freaking not block this. There's some. Oh, by the way, guys, it's my birthday. My birthday, I'll post a YouTube video to show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. And so my sister's gonna be here. My sister's there. I'll let you guys see my